Becky, and this is my daughter Kayla. We've been using Super Suppers for 2 months now, and we love it. The food is delicious, it saves us lots of time and lots of money.
We used to eat out all the time. I remember just getting tired of fast food and I wanted home-cooked meals. And when my mom came home and said we were going to try this, I was excited because we were just ready to not spend so much time cooking and not spending 5 minutes going through a drive-thru to get fast food. We were ready for some good food, and this is the solution to that.
And not to mention the time it saves me at the grocery store and planning for meals. Now I don't even have to think about it. My husband and I just choose a great meal ahead of time the night before, let it thaw, put it in the oven, and dinner's ready to go. So we love Super Suppers, and we want you to love it too.